Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create this type of the cartoon 3D avatar or manga avatar for your Blender 4.0. And all of this 3D avatar that you created, you can perform any of the 3D animations and also included the facial expression animations, mouth talking, lip sync animation, etc. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. The first step, what you need to do is just go and get the VRoid Studio. This is the software that you need, and then install the Blender 4.0 in your computer. And at the same time, you need to go to my video description to download the VRoid VRM to FBX converter. Alright, once you already get all of these things, then you have to install the VRoid Studio in your computer. Once you already get installed, just open the VRoid Studio. For the 3D avatar, for all of the cartoon avatar, you can direct create in VRoid Studio, and then later you can import it into Blender. So the first step, just click plus new, and as demo, I will just create a female 3D avatar. And then next, once it already opens, just create your 3D avatar's face. You can choose it from here or you can customize by your own. Now I choose this face, and then next choose a hairstyle from here. For any of the hairstyle that you like your 3D avatar to have. As demo, I'm going to choose a hairstyle from here, and then next you can choose the hair color. Then you can back to the face and choose the eye color. Choose from here. Once done already, just create the body shape. You can just shape your body here. There are a lot of the morph. And finally, you can just choose an outfit, or you can just customize your own outfit. There are a lot of the shirts, skirts, bottoms, etc., accessory. And as demo, I'm going to just choose a whole set from here. If you feel satisfied already, the next moments you can just save your 3D avatar. Save the VRoid project first. Click the triple line, save as, and as demo, I'm going to just create a new folder on my desktop. I'm going to name this folder as cartoon01. Alright, then I will save the project on my desktop inside the cartoon01 folder. The file name, I'm going to name this as cartoon01 as well. Now you can see it already saved as a VRoid file. Next, we are going to export as a VRM file from here. Just click export as VRM. Then click export. The title, you can just put your 3D model's name, and I'm going to name her as cartoon01. The creator, just put your own name, Freedom Arts 3D. Alright, scroll down, click export, and wait for a few seconds. Now it is going to export. You have to choose the folder correctly. On the desktop, cartoon01. The file name, I'm going to name her as cartoon01 VRM. I click save. Then have a look. The VRM file already exported. And always remember, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a cartoon avatar for Blender 4.0. Right, now we already have this VRM file. The next step, just go to my video descriptions, download the VRoid VRM to FBX converter. you need to convert it to FBX file first. Before that, you have to download this plugin. Right, once you already download VRM to FBX converter, then it is a zip folder. You have to export it. You have to extract it into the folder. It is VRoid to FBX converter, and now I already put it on my desktop, and I'm going to show you. The first step, you have to open the Blender 2.9, the one that given by me with the VRM importer. Just open the Blender. Then in this folder, just back to previous folder. These two plugins you have to install in Blender 2.9. This is just a process to make it become an FBX file. So go to the Edit Preferences, then under the add-on, click Install. Install from the desktop, VRoid to FBX converter. These two zip folder, please do not extract it. You need to maintain it as a zip folder. First, I'm going to double click and install the Cats Blenders plugin. Then click Install VRM add-on. Both you need to install it. Then search it from here, Cats. Make sure you activate the Cats Blenders plugin and then search for VRM. Make sure you activated the import export VRM format. Once you've done this step, just close this. At here, you click the empty space and press A to select all, and press delete button to delete everything. Next, press N button so that you can see the Cats Blenders plugin is at here. Click the triple line and select the VRM. At this moment, you need to import the VRM from the desktop. Cartoon 01, you can see your VRM file that already exported just now from the VRoid Studio. Double click the VRM file. It is going to import into the Blender. Then click the wrench and deselect everything. You only need to select the fixed material. Click OK, then click Fix Model and wait for a few seconds. It is going to fix off the material's texture. Just wait for a while. It is going to show you the texture. So now you can see this 3D avatar already in your Blender 2.9 that given by me. Next step, what you need to do is just save as a blend file inside the folder. The Cartoon 01 folder is at here. Save as a blend file. I'm going to copy the folder destination location, and then in Blender, I'm going to save. I click Ctrl Shift S. Then choose the folder Cartoon 01, and I'm going to name this as Cartoon 01 blend file. I click Save. Now just have a look. The blend file already saved, and then you can export as FBX file. Click Export Model. Continue to export the file. The path mode change to copy, and make sure you highlighted this, and save as FBX file Cartoon 01 FBX. Click Export FBX. So now you already have the FBX as well, and in this tutorial we are going to import it into Blender 4.0. How to create a cartoon avatar for Blender 4.0. So you can just go and install the Blender 4.0, and then once you already install the latest version of the Blender, this blend file you can open. You can just double click it. It is going to open by using the Blender 4.0 or any later version. So you can close this and save it. Alright, now you have the FBX file, you have the blend file as well. Double click the blend file. It is going to open by using the latest version of the Blender. And for today, the latest version of the Blender is Blender 4.0. Now you can see this 3D avatar, this cartoon avatar already open here. And then click the face. You can animate animate the facial animations, for example the angry, neutral, fun. Look at the facial expressions, joy. You can just manipulate the keyframes by using all of the facial shape keys, the morph targets. And you also can just click the skeletons, go to the pose mode, then you can just animate by using the body motions or body pose, and everything will go properly. And you can create your 3D animations by using this 3D avatar, and you already have the FBX file as well. You have the FBX file, and you can import it into any 3D software, or you can just animate it in Blender. It is really awesome. You already can create any of the cartoon 3D avatar for your Blender 4.0. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!